What up, good people? It's Will. Tonight I'm just doing a little dry fire. I have 5 targets set up about 7 yards away. And what I'm going to do at the buzzer, I don't have a par time, but I'm using a timer just to start the drill. At the start signal, I'm going to step to my right, engage 4 targets with 2 shots apiece, come back left, reload, and get the 5th target. The way my room is set up, it's kind of like a T. So because of that, there are the 2 targets on the end. If I'm standing in the center, I can see them both. But as soon as I step to the right, I can no longer see that one. Or if I step left, I can't see that one. So once I step right and engage these 4, as I reload, there's a blind target over here that I can't see. And as I'm coming out of my reload, that target will appear. So I'll have to acquire it quickly and then place 2 rounds. Just trying to get these transitions in order. So I'm giving myself 5 seconds. Actually, I lied. There's a part time. I did put 5 on here. So we'll see if we can do that in 5. Won't be able to bobble my draw, my reload to make 5, because that's going to be pretty quick. Let's see what happens. I have an empty mag, so there's not much weight, and I had the gun tilted too far, so it didn't want to come out. I almost pushed it back in with the second mag. So now we're going this way. Shit, I wasn't ready. Still made it, but it was close. Buzzer caught me completely off guard. Didn't have my mag index correctly. Go from here. Again and again. Let's clean up some of these hits. Too many C's. Just the drill. Definitely didn't make that one. Let's try that again. This is what dry fire is. Multiple reps. Alright. So on that one, when I went to put the mag in, it wasn't all the way clean, so my insert, which keeps the slide from locking back, got caught. And then when I went to force it into the magazine, the round that came out and the insert were in between the mag and the gun, so it wouldn't see. So once I went to present, all that shit just fell out. Sweating. If you're not sweating, you're not dry firing. You're not doing it right. All right, so we're going that way, I think. We'll go back to hands low. Also trying to be mindful of my grip. Not necessarily where I'm gripping the gun, but making sure that I'm gripping the gun as aggressively as I would if the gun was going to fire. So a lot of times you dry fire, you end up knowing the gun won't fire, so you kind of get relaxed and loose with your grip. You get a little lazy. So I need to make sure that I'm not doing that, because that's one of the issues that I've had. All right, so we'll go back to right, I think. That one felt good. Hits were good. And grip pressure as well as wrist tension were all right. Went a little out of order on that one, on those middle targets, but I still made it. Get a couple more reps and then call it a day. I've already done some other kind of stationary work. Oh shit, let that beat. All right, go to our right. One more to the left. Yeah, that one felt good. I'm gonna get some other reps, just on some more stationary drills. I started with just a draw and present. Went to transitions here, and then I'm just gonna do a couple of static reloads and then call it a day. Y'all be safe.
You know about, give me the 14 when it's 14, me kill 14, what you know about, AR-15, the class 16, make it not just start steam, what you know about, BM-16, you use 16, the clip 16, what you know about, the AK-47, the 8-9 and the Mark 11, what you